Today, we'll be reviewing the SureMed Great White Platinum Stirrups, which have been designed to increase a surgeon's OR performance and maximize patient safety. The Great White Platinum Stirrups provide safe and quick positioning assistance for improved surgical site access, while offering exceptionally precise placement. The raised lateral fin boots effectively minimize the possibility of nerve damage. The stirrups feature an exclusive 3-axis control from the handle, which mimics the anatomy of the human hip. Simply squeeze the trigger for smooth and accurate high or low lithotomy, adduction, and abduction positioning. The lithotomy range is from -30 degrees low to 80 degrees high. Adduction is -9 degrees, and abduction is +25 degrees. Included platinum boot pads wrap around the foot, ankle, and calf, providing essential, safe, comfortable, and secure patient positioning. The lithotomy indicators help to accurately reposition legs. Snap spring lock clamps on the accessory rails in the same location on opposite sides of the surgical table. Prior to placing the device into the spring lock clamp, identify the patient's left and right side stirrup indicated on the boot label. Insert the blade of the stirrup into the clamp. Tighten the clamp by turning the handle to the right. Support the patient's leg by grasping the heel in one hand and the underside of the knee with the other hand. Gently flex the knees and transfer the leg into the boot. Then, secure boot straps. To achieve the appropriate leg-foot position, loosen the boot clamp. Adjust the boot to desired position and retighten this clamp. Remove leg board from the operating table. To achieve the appropriate lithotomy and abduction positions, squeeze the trigger, adjust to desired position, and release to lock. Loosen the spring lock clamp and remove the stirrups by lifting them out of the clamps. The Great White Platinum Stirrups establish a gold standard in aiding gynecology, laparoscopy, and urology procedures. The Great White Platinum Stirrups are designed, manufactured, and assembled at SureMed's world-class facilities here in the United States. They've been created specifically to increase a surgeon's operating room performance, while also maximizing patient safety. At SureMed, we are designing and building the future of patient positioning.